యూత్ హార్ట్స్ దడదడలాడించిన 'దిల్ ధడక్ రహా హై' తెలుగులో ఈ సాంగ్ 'నువ్విలా'. ఈ సాంగ్ ఫేస్‌బుక్‌లో 3,000,000 వ్యూస్ క్రాస్ చేసి 600 వాచ్ టైమ్‌ని కూడా సొంతం చేసుకుంది. మరి ఈ సాంగ్‌తో అందం, అభినయంతో యూత్ హార్ట్స్‌ని అట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్న రైజింగ్ స్టార్ అంకితా జాదవ్ గారు మనతో పాటున్నారు. మరి ఈ సాంగ్ జర్నీ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది? ఈ సాంగ్ సక్సెస్‌ని ఎలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు? ఉమెన్స్ డే సందర్భంగా వారి మాటల్లోనే తెలుసుకుందాం. హలో మ్యామ్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కంగ్రాచ్యులేషన్స్
Thank you so much,
అండ్
Chandrika.
హ్యాపీ
Hello.
ఉమెన్స్ డే మ్యామ్.
Happy Women's Day to all wonderful viewers. And because of your love, we are able to succeed on this song.
సో అంటే యాక్చువల్‌గా ఉమెన్స్ డే సందర్భంగా మీ సాంగ్ సక్సెస్ కావడం అనేది గొప్ప విషయం యాక్చువల్‌గా. మనం సెలబ్రేట్
Correct,
చేసుకోవడానికి కూడా. మీరు ఈ
correct,
సక్సెస్‌ని
correct.
ఎట్లా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకున్నారు మ్యామ్?
So actually, the amount of love we got, like I never, నేను ఎప్పటికీ ఏం thought, plan లేదు ki like how we are gonna celebrate. But we celebrate with Satya Master, right? 1 million. We have to. We know that this song. But on Facebook, we crossed 500 million views. So this is something unimaginable, and only we can give so much love to audience
Yes.
and more songs to audience, and this is what we received, that like audience connected with our song and
Yes.
they saw repeatedly this song, and that is a huge success. So with the team we celebrated already, and for the 500 million we have to do grand party now.
ఇంకా 600, 700 కూడా క్రాస్ చేస్తుంది ఈ సాంగ్.
తెలియలేదు 1 బిలియన్ కూడా క్రాస్.
ఎక్స్‌పెక్ట్ చేసారా మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఈ సాంగ్ షూటింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇంత వ్యూస్ ఎళ్ళిపోతుంది అని?
Absolutely no. I was so nervous. Like it's like a Friday movie release.
ఓకే.
So for me, I was so nervous. I don't know how it will go in 2 days and all. And we received so much love, so much comments. People are relating this song with their loved ones and that innocence, love, and my expression and my presence, they loved it, and I was like so shocked. God, thank you so much. And the moment I saw the Facebook watch time, I was just blown away. I said, I can't imagine, like, how did that happen? Also, like 500 million watch time. And in just 20 days, we are not a stars yet. We do not have a so popular team and nothing like that. But this gives us a sign that good content, good content, good music, if you relate with the audience, then that's what the success, now we are
అండ్
having it.
ఆల్సో మీరు చెప్పినట్టుగా అంటే హిందీలోనే కాకుండా తెలుగులో కూడా మంచిగా ట్రెండింగ్‌లో ఉంది సాంగ్.
Correct, correct,
సో
correct.
అంటే
Telugu,
బోత్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ అంటే
బోత్ లాంగ్వేజ్ నువ్వే
యెస్.
ఉండిపోయేలా కూడా చాలా చాలా హిట్ అయింది. ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద మాస్టర్ సత్య మాస్టర్ ఫస్టింగ్, అండ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద లిప్సికా హూ హాస్ సంగ్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ. అండ్ ఐ am the fresh when I worked here, I never worked, but people don't care that where are you from. People do care that what your content, and how do you entertain them, how do you relate them, so I'm so happy that Telugu audience kuda chala chala love, what I call, they have given it so much love.
యాక్చువల్‌గా సాంగ్స్ అంటే ఒక్కొక్కసారి హిందీలో ఎక్కువ వ్యూస్ వచ్చి తెలుగులో తక్కువ వ్యూస్ వస్తాయి. బట్ ఈ సాంగ్ మాత్రం
Correct.
2 లాంగ్వేజెస్‌లో మంచి వ్యూస్. అందరికి బాగా
No,
నచ్చేసింది ఈ
that's
సాంగ్ అయితే.
so huge, huge, huge surprise for me. Nobody expected this much good views, this much good repeat watched, and there is we got the sign that people accepted us, people accepted our song, and somehow they related with this song, their journey, their love story, and their feelings,
యెస్. అందరూ కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయారన్నమాట. వాళ్ళ లైఫ్‌లో జరిగిన మూవ్‌మెంట్స్ ఆ సాంగ్స్
Correct.
చూస్తూ. సో
Correct,
అలా
correct, correct. So true, Chandrika. Very, very true. That somewhere this song got connected with their feelings and with their life.
యెస్. అందుకే మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ
Yeah.
వింటూ అలా తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయారన్నమాట.
That is, we want people should listen again and again and again.
అండ్ ఆల్సో
But
ఉమెన్స్ డేకి మీకు గిఫ్ట్ అనుకోవచ్చు.
So definitely this is something, we all should celebrate, we all should celebrate. We all should believe in ourselves, if I could have not believe in myself, that, I am from normal background, I have not I have a filmy background. My father is in the government section, and I would go in my, like, in terms of in New York, shooting with no, having no background, only talent, only talent and belief and confident. So this is the beautiful message. This is not my success, this is every normal woman's success. I believe that if she believe and if she works, then she don't listen anyone, and she just work on her desire, what she dream, what she think about herself. And that's what I thought about myself when I started my journey in an acting career, that I see myself very high. Like, and I see myself in films, I see myself, working in a big budget songs, and out of country and with the good people. This is what, when you work hard, when you listen your heart, when you believe in yourself, then it happens. Yeah.
అబ్సల్యూట్లీ. అండ్ ఆల్సో మీరు చెప్పినట్టుగా అంటే అసలు యాక్చువల్‌గా మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఇలాంటి బ్యాక్‌గ్రౌండ్ ఫిల్మీ బ్యాక్‌గ్రౌండ్ లేనప్పటికీ, మీరు ఈ బ్యాక్‌గ్రౌండ్‌లోకి వచ్చేసి
Correct,
ఇండస్ట్రీలోకొచ్చి
correct,
మీరింత హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి ఫైనల్‌గా
correct.
మీరు అనుకున్న రిజల్ట్ వచ్చేసింది మీకు. మీ కష్టపడ్డ మీ
Yeah,
హార్డ్
so
వర్క్‌కి రిజల్ట్
true.
అనుకోవచ్చు.
So true. One thing I was very keen, that I was thinking, God, I have done so much hard work. We team all have done so much hard work. And if the audience doesn't like that, and it breaks my heart, I'm gonna cry. And I'm just 2 days and watching and scrolling, what's the comments of audience? And I was like so nervous. And if I mean, like, we believe that this song is beautiful, the picturization is beautiful, the direction is beautiful, but I
లొకేషన్స్
will
ఆల్సో.
never know that if that doesn't click, then what? But we need to keep working hard. Nothing. Then, but God grace, we had an immense success with this song.
ఇన్ని మిలియన్ వ్యూస్ చూసాక మీ హార్డ్ వర్క్, మీ స్ట్రెస్, మీ నర్వస్ అన్నీ ఇంకా గాన్ అనుకోవచ్చు మీరు.
Yeah, I think it gave me release after 15 days when I saw Facebook watch time, YouTube million views, and I was like, now I can relax. Now I can relax for a few days because of next song is coming as well. So today I'm gonna announce the date for next song as well. So yeah, I mean, like, my journey, it's very tough. It's very inspiring. It's inspiring me too as well. When I was started working hard on the songs, and I was like, I believe it. There's something there is gonna happen. I believe it. I have to do it. And it happened.
అండ్ ఆల్సో అంటే మీకు మాత్రమే కాకుండా ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చే వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఇదొక లెసన్ లాగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే
Yes,
ఇన్స్పిరేషన్
absolutely.
లాగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఫ్యామిలీ బ్యాక్‌గ్రౌండ్ లేని వాళ్ళ ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి వచ్చి
Correct.
సక్సెస్ అయ్యి ఇంత పెద్ద
Yes.
హ్యూజ్ రెస్పాన్స్‌తో ముందుకెళ్తుంది
Yes.
కాబట్టి,
Yes.
సో అదొక ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అనుకోవచ్చు యంగ్ జనరేషన్స్‌కి సాంగ్ కూడా.
Correct. I received even the young girls message that from my family background, that you are an inspiration for us. And I was like, God, no. I mean, like, something I have done it
హౌ ఇస్
to
ఇట్ ఫీలింగ్
inspire
అప్పుడు?
them. Huh?
ఇన్స్పిరేషన్, హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ ఫీలింగ్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ మీరు అని చెప్పినప్పుడు?
Tremendous. It's tremendous. When I worked hard, when I started believing in myself, so many people doubting, like, oh, what is coming next? Or what are you doing? And all this stuff. And this is the answer which I have given throughout my work. And they started, feeling, they started taking an inspiration from me. Then I was like, that's a big achievement for me. What else I want? That's what it is. I know. It feels great. It feels really, really great.
ఈ సాంగ్ మరి ఇంత సక్సెస్ అయినందుకు మా కోసం ఒక 2 లైన్స్ సాంగ్ పాడతారా?
Oh God. I want to actually sing a song in a Telugu version, నా జతై నువ్వంటూ పిలిచానులే ఈ క్షణం నిజంగా బాగుందిలే. I don't know whether it's a right pronunciation or
బట్
not.
2
You tell
లైన్స్
me.
అయినా బాగా క్యూట్‌గా పాడారు.
Like, నా జతై నువ్వంటూ పిలిచానులే ఈ క్షణం నిజంగా బాగుందిలే.
మీ ఎక్స్‌ప్రెషన్స్‌లో కూడా తెలుస్తుంది ఆ ఫీల్ యాక్చువల్‌గా.
Yeah, this song is very beautiful. I can say, दिल धड़क रहा है मैं क्या करूँ, क्यों धड़क रहा है मैं क्या करूँ. I'm not a singer, but Chandrika,
బట్
माफ
వెరీ
करना
గుడ్. చాలా
मुझे.
బావుంది సాంగ్.
Thank you
మీరు
so much. I
పాడుతుంటే ఇంకా
tried. I
క్యూట్‌గా
tried.
ఉంది తెలుసా?
Sorry?
మీరు పాడుతుంటే చాలా క్యూట్‌గా ఉంది సాంగ్.
Really? I hope so. I'm glad you liked it. You find it that cute. I'm so scared because
నో
pronunciation
మ్యామ్.
is
నో మ్యామ్.
really
చాలా
hard.
బావుంది. మీ వాయిస్‌కి సాంగ్ చాలా బావుంది.
Thank you so
నెక్స్ట్
much.
టైమ్ మీరు సాంగ్ గూడా పాడండి.
Oh God,
డాన్స్‌తో పాటు.
I will, I will try that. Then
ఓకే.
music
ష్యూర్.
director will run away. No, no, we
నో,
don't
నో,
want
నో,
to
నో.
hear.
నో రన్ అవే.
Nice. I
యాక్చువల్‌గా
will
మీకు
try.
ఈ సాంగ్ మీరు 'సత్య మాస్టర్‌తో' చేశారు గదా! అసలు మీ
Yes.
ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది తనతో? మీరు ఫస్ట్ 'సత్య మాస్టర్' అనగానే ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు? చ
Actually,
చాలా
Satya
పెద్ద
Master is a
మాస్టర్,
very
చాలా
experienced.
స్టెప్స్ కూడా చాలా హార్డ్‌గా ఉంటాయని ఎక్స్‌పెక్ట్ చేసి
కాదు. హార్డ్ లేదు. ఎందుకంటే సాంగ్‌కి రిక్వైర్మెంట్ హార్డ్ స్టెప్ లేదు కదా!
ఓకే.
సో, ఆ సాంగ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ స్టెప్స్ చాలా స్మూత్‌గా కావాలి. చాలా యూ నో స్లోగా కావాలి. సో,
హ్మ్.
ఈ సాంగ్‌లో 'సత్య మాస్టర్' స్టైల్ లేదు. 'సత్య మాస్టర్' స్టైల్ ఉంది. 'సత్య మాస్టర్' చాలా స్టైలిష్ చేశాను. బట్ ఈ సాంగ్ ఇస్ ఎస్థెటిక్ సాంగ్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ డాన్స్ నంబర్ సాంగ్. I had a really great experience with Satya Master because he's very experienced. I worked him in event and afterwards we worked in this song. So while direction, he's very calm. He's very he's a very good listener.
హ్మ్.
He's a very good narrator, I would say, because he doesn't know Hindi. I don't know Telugu, and we had a literally big clash. And there is no translator rather than English. And a director actor has to have a good relationship with
యెస్. యెస్.
what he expect, how you want to do. So what master used to do, I said, master, language problem, please. So he used to do, I said, no problem, I will tell you what to do. So he used to make me stand. He used to do, like, he used to show me what to do, how to do it, and then I used to follow him. And master, one thing I really really liked it, that he did not force me to do something which I cannot do. He just saw me like what I can do it, what will look good on me, and what is lyrics requirements and all this stuff. So I had a really best experience. He's an amazing human being. He worked so much hard. He did not thought that he's a star choreographer and he will show the tantrums and he will shout and he will if I did I have done mistakes. I have done a takes and we did not had a chance to do so much take. I also cooperated, but it was right. It was his positive, I would say, attitude, positive attitude, humble attitude, made me so feel comfortable. And I did not did this song in a scariness. No, and our master will shout on me, but I felt that no, master is very humble and he's kind, and he will make me do best.
కంఫర్టబుల్‌గా
Yeah,
సాంగ్
yeah. He's the
కంప్లీట్ చేశారు.
best. He's the best. I mean, like anybody can work with him. Like 0 point dancer also can work, and 10 like out of the 10 boxes, the dancer also can work with him. I had a great fun with him.
ఫన్నీ
Yeah.
ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఏమైనా ఉందా ఈ సాంగ్
Oh
షూటింగ్‌లో?
God, I'll tell you one funny incident. We were supposed to shoot. There is Liberty statue is there, right, in New York. It's
అవును.
compulsory. You have to shoot there. So
హ్మ్.
Master and I plan, like, they planned to do Liberty statue shoot in the Liberty statue, and cameraman understood that we have to do backside. And when we reach, and Master is saying, "What? Why why did we come here? We have to go Liberty statue." Oh my God. And now time is gone. Light is gone.
ఓహ్ మై
Everything. And
గాడ్!
how we did shooting with the flashlight of mobile phone? Can you imagine? We were laughing like anything else. Oh God, what happened? And New York City traffic is terrible.
యెస్.
So it was funniest. It was funniest. We did it. The footage came also though very well, but it was the funniest incident, I would say.
ఫేవరెట్ షాట్ ఏమైనా ఉందా మ్యామ్? ఫేవరెట్ షాట్
ఓహ్!
అండ్ సీన్?
చాలా ఫేవరెట్ షాట్ ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే న్యూయార్క్ ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉంది కదా! లైక్
అవును.
ఎవ్రీవేర్ దే మేడ్ మీ స్టాండ్. లైక్ వెదర్ ఇట్స్ ద బ్రూక్లిన్ బ్రిడ్జ్, వెదర్ ఇట్స్ ద టైమ్స్ స్క్వేర్, వెదర్ ఇట్స్ ద everywhere they made me stand. But one of my beautiful, I would say, Times Square. Like everybody dreams to go Times Square. If you don't go to Times Square, then what you do? And can you imagine when I was there, I was crying, I was shivering, and I have to be happy. And I was like, God, thank you, thank you, thank you so much that this is dream come true. I'm not.
Yes.
Can you imagine? I went first time Times Square, and I am shooting a song with Master and with the crew.
Dream
Wow,
comes
that's
true.
really beautiful feelings, and it's one of the best moment of my life shooting in Times Square. Of course, I dream to come on Billboard one day. We never know if I can shoot there, and then we can come to the Billboard as well once our song gets hit
అవును.
globally.
నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్బమ్స్ ఏమైనా చేస్తున్నారా మ్యామ్ మళ్ళీ?
Correct. Next album actually Nuvelle. Song name is Nuvelle,
ఓకే.
and we shot in Chicago. And we have a different hero in this song, and his name is Shashank. And Aditi Bhavaraju is a very big singer, known singer. She sung this song, and here Ishita Vishwakarma. She's a
హ్మ్.
Saregama Hindi TV show winner, and she
ఓకే.
sung with Arjit Singh and all. So she's singing that song, and that song is again, as we received so much love from audience on the romantic song, and so we thought to continue with this train, so they will feel more connected. So this story is completely different. It's too melodious. It's too romantic. It's something every groom, like every bride, like their feelings before marriage and their feeling when they have a fiance. So it's a very dewy, it's a very romantic song. Yeah. So audience will enjoy it, definitely.
యెస్.
They'll have different romantic one.
యాక్చువల్‌గా మీరొక హీరోయిన్.
Yeah.
హీరోయిన్ అయ్యుండి కూడా మీరు ఆల్బమ్ సాంగ్స్ చేస్తున్నారు గదా!
Correct.
సో, అంటే మీకెలా అనిపిస్తుంది ఇది?
Actually, honestly, I'm telling you, whether it's an album song, whether it's a movie, both requires hard work. And album song is more challenging. Like in movies, what happens? We get a 2.5 hours, and we have a chance to prove ourselves in a different level. But in 4 minutes, you have to get the attention of people, and you have to connect with the people. Connecting people in a 4 minutes, and showing your all aspect of actions, that's more challenging. So it's both is has a different way of challenge, and I am enjoying. Can you imagine, in 4 minutes you have to show all the angles of your expressions and acting skills and beauty, and you connect immediately with them with the songs are the best way to connect with the audience. So I enjoy this process. They don't need to wait for movies to connect with me, but songs, music is something people connect very easily. So I
యెస్.
feel
కరెక్ట్.
that it's both has a challenge, and I feel that this is a huge challenge that's movies.
అంటే మళ్ళీ ఫ్యూచర్‌లో మూవీస్ ఎక్స్‌పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చా? లేదంటే ఆల్బమ్సేనా?
మూవీస్ కూడా లైన్‌లో ఉంది. మూవీస్ కూడా లైన్‌లో ఉంది. మూవీస్‌లో కోసం కూడా నేను ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడ నేను ప్రూవ్ అయింది కదా! ఇక్కడ ఆడియన్స్ యాక్సెప్ట్స్ నాకు ఆల్రెడీ దే హావ్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్ మీ. ఆల్రెడీ దే ఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్, అండ్ దే ఆర్ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ మై ఫేస్, విత్ మై ఎమోషన్స్.
కరెక్ట్.
So this is huge success for me. So until unless I get movies, I'm gonna continue doing album song. That I have no ways to do it, unless until they think that no, she is. I have done also movies, like I've done Marathi film, and I've done Hindi also. But I am enjoying this process, album songs, isn't it? It's very easy way to connect with the audience and get a love from the people. So yeah, both will take a place whenever they comes. But right now, album songs.
అండ్ ఆల్సో మీరు చేసుకున్న వే కూడా కరెక్ట్. మూవీస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మూవీస్, దెన్ గ్యాప్
Correct.
వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆల్బమ్
Until
సాంగ్స్.
and unless
ఆ!
people doesn't
ఆడియన్స్‌కి రీచ్ అవ్వడం
yeah.
ఇంపార్టెంట్.
Yeah, అదే పాయింట్ నాకు. అదే పాయింట్. As an actor, I'm still doing so much hard work for songs as well, and I will do so much hard work for movies as well. Movies is different. But if I'm not able to connect with the audience with the songs, then why do I think that? How do I connect with the movies? So this is the best way to connect with the people. And album songs are the best. In 4 minutes, you entertain the audience. Whatever you want.
ఈ సాంగ్ 4 మినిట్స్ అయినా కూడా చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసుంటారు కదా! ఈ సాంగ్
Correct.
బ్యాక్‌గ్రౌండ్‌లో కూడా.
I believe every project has its own challenge. Album songs require strong expression and the ability to connect with the audience with just a few minutes. So they're equally special and meaningful for me, like
సో అండ్ ఆల్సో మ్యామ్ మీరు ఈ సాంగ్ తర్వాత మీకు కామెంట్స్ చాలా వచ్చుంటాయి.
correct.
సాంగ్ చాలా బావుంది. మీరు బాగున్నారు అనేసి. మీకొచ్చిన బెస్ట్ కామెంట్ ఏంటి మ్యామ్?
So, most of them told me you look gorgeous, your expression, your presence on the screen is beautiful. And I was like, wow, they found me. They found me like like in so many interviews I have given in Telugu channels, the anchors, they told me like, Ammai enta bagundi, chala perfect gundi, heroine material undi, enta A-list movie. And I was like, God, thank you so much. This compliments from the anchor first I met with you guys. And if you feel that connection with me and with the comments, like everybody's saying, you look gorgeous, song is beautiful, your expressions are beautiful, and there are a lot of funny comments also we got it. But I'm glad most of 90% comments we got positive, People loved my style, people loved my dresses, people loved that innocence connections with them.
యాక్చువల్‌గా డ్రెసెస్ అండ్ లొకేషన్స్ మాత్రం చాలా బావుంది. ఆ
Correct.
లైటింగ్ మాత్రం సూపర్ అసలు. ఆ లైటింగ్‌లో
Correct.
ఆ డ్రెసెస్, ఆ
Correct.
కాస్ట్యూమ్స్ గూడా చాలా అట్రాక్టివ్‌గా కనిపిస్తున్నాయి యాక్చువల్‌గా. మీ కో స్టార్ గురించి చెప్పండి.
Actually, Rohit Bora is his name, and he's a future lawyer, and he's a very shy guy. I don't know whether he must have faced the camera or not. We hardly had a time. You know what happened? We met on set only. We did not had a meeting before that and all this stuff. And he is shy. He's very shy. I have no idea. His mother only, his father knows what is his real personality. But with me, I made him comfortable because he was shooting first time the commercial songs,
ఓకే.
and he's very kind, he's very gentle, he was very supportive. Though I used to explain him that no, you do this way because I had experience, right? So he never said like she's why she's explaining me, let director explain me. So he said,
ఓకే.
okay, I'll do that. Okay, I'll do that. So whatever you say to him, he said, okay, I'll do that. So he was so sweet. He's very sweet guy. He's very sweet.
కంఫర్టబుల్ కో స్టార్ మీకు.
Yeah, very comfortable. Does it? You know what? Talented people, those people who are with the pride, they are very hardest to work with. Those people doesn't know work and still they're humble and they listen. They are very good people to work with them.
అయితే సమ్‌టైమ్స్ అంటుంటారు మూవీస్ కంటే ఆల్బమ్ సాంగ్స్ చాలా ఈజీ అని అంటుంటారు కదా!
Correct,
మీ
correct,
ఆన్సర్
correct.
ఏంటి?
I don't think so. Album song is easy because album songs need a really strong expression, and you need to have the ability in 4 minutes to get attention from the people.
హ్మ్.
So whoever is saying it's easy, it's not easy. In 4 minutes, in 30 seconds, people will skip your video. And if you go to the movie theater, you have to watch the film until and 2.5 hours they have and so much length. It has own challenge. It has here it's very challenging. And tuck, you have to do it everything. Can you imagine? So it's not easy. Don't even come to me and just like I'm telling you, why don't you do it if is it that easy? It takes time. It takes a lot of planning. It takes so much study because it is somebody's story. The composition came from somebody's thought. The lyrics came about somebody's story. So we have to do it what it is required. It's not easy. It is challenging.
అండ్ ఆల్సో యూట్యూబ్‌లోకెళ్ళి ఒక సాంగ్‌ని సెర్చ్ చేయడం అంటే అది చాలా గ్రేట్ యాక్చువల్‌గా.
Correct.
మనం
Correct.
బేసిక్ అయితే
Correct.
మూవీ సెర్చ్ చేస్తాం. మూవీలో
Correct.
సాంగ్స్ చూస్తాము. యూట్యూబ్‌లోకెళ్ళి సెర్చ్ చేసి ఆ సాంగ్ వినాలి అనుకోవడం కూడా చాలా గ్రేట్.
Yes.
ఈ
Yes.
సక్సెస్‌లో అదొక
Absolutely.
భాగం అనుకోవచ్చు.
Absolutely. And you
సో
have
ఆబ్వియస్లీ
get
అది హార్డ్
instant
వర్క్.
rejection and you get instant approval also in songs. 30 seconds you are skipped and not even 30 seconds, 3 seconds people are skipping the song. So can you imagine that how much we need to do work hard to get attention from the people? It is more challenging. And in 3 seconds you have to prove yourself because spam of attention nowadays is very less. You have just phone and you're just scrolling. If you're not connected in 3 seconds, they will scroll. So
అవును.
it has so much challenge for us to
యెస్.
crack the good audio, to have the 10 second of best shots. Expression has to be very, very
పర్ఫెక్ట్
emotional and
ఉండాలి.
connected with the people. So I'm telling you, it's challenging.
అంటే ఈ సాంగ్ మీ కెరియర్‌కి హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నారా మ్యామ్ ఈ సాంగ్?
Yes, of course. People like Sai Rajesh director, like he came to our audio functions, the baby movie director, and
యెస్.
Johnny Master also. And the big director told me that, they liked my presence on the screen. I don't know whether they'll come to me with the opportunity or not. So so many director also said me that she looks so honest, she looks so uh, real on the screen. And somehow now I got also words from the people that you did a really good job, you did a really good job. And I'm thinking that maybe it will help me in the films, like, you know what.
ఓకే.
Yeah, I got opportunity. I'm choosing what is right to do films, because you know what, like once you do something, that it's gonna come up.
అంటే మీ ఇతర యాక్టర్స్‌తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే మీ స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటి అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
Ayyo, na specialty. I'm sure everybody works hard, but for me, I believe that I'm very passionate actress. I've worked so hard. I'm very dedicated. So that's what my quality, that I am sincere in my work. I don't take anything granted. If I have a song, then I will do 9 hours rehearsal, 6 hours rehearsal. If that dance requires, if I have acting, then I have to do a lot of homework. So if I have to do some finalize some dress, that I'll explore 10 stores and what looks best, that's what my mind and my work process, that I'm passionate. Yeah.
ఫస్ట్ కాల్ ఎవరి నుంచి వచ్చింది మ్యామ్ ఈ సాంగ్ సక్సెస్ అయ్యాక? చూసాక సర్ప్రైజ్‌గా?
Actually, my music director, Jayant sir,
ఓకే.
he called me that, did you saw the views? I said, no, sir. Arey, tumhara, like your song became blockbuster. You got 100 million views. Watch time. And I said, no, sir, it's not real. Then he asked me, come to office. I'll show you. I ran office. It's like 10 minutes away from my house. And I was like, what the heck happened? This is so massive views. And that's what. So my music director, and then I actually, when he told me on the call, immediately I called Master Garu. Then Master Garu, చూడండి 100 millions అయింది ఆ ఫేస్బుక్ లో వాచ్ టైం అండ్ 1 millions కూడా on YouTube. So we were so happy that very less span of time we got 1 million views also. So it's huge success for us, a big achievement for us.
యాక్చువల్‌గా
Yeah.
ఆ సక్సెస్ మొత్తం, ఆ హార్డ్ వర్క్ మొత్తం మీరు చెప్తుంటే మీ కళ్ళలో తెలుస్తుంది.
Yes, I'm telling you it. Whenever I think,
దట్ మైట్.
I have no idea. You know what? I was having only the dry tears in my, like, I forget to cry also. I said, nothing to you can't do, honey. It's your passion. It's your dream. Just work hard. Minus degree, some songs in saris, minus degree, and not in a one location. You don't have heater as well, not somebody's holding heater for you. No, nothing is like that. Whether you wear a jacket, and you can't go inside of the hotel, then time will be wasted, that traveling. So you have to stay there itself unless and until you move to. So huge challenges we have gone through. And
మ్యామ్ ఫైనల్‌గా ఉమెన్స్ డే సందర్భంగా మీరిచ్చే మెసేజ్ ఏంటి మ్యామ్ ఉమెన్స్‌కి?
oh my God. Under women's, like, to all women, and to special to all young girls, I reached here because of somehow I believe in myself. What I have dreamed it, what I have desired, I started working hard towards to that. And I did not allow anyone's opinion. I did not allow what somebody says me. I used to listen people's opinions or people's suggestions and all this stuff. But what I believed, I worked towards to that without getting into the judgment. So many people judge you when you don't, when your work doesn't comes, and people started
యెస్.
already bullying you and started talking against of you, starting behind your back. and all this stuff. I avoided this all. I did not reacted to any of this. If I could have taken any serious things about the people, about my anyone, so I could have not achieved this kind of stuff. So I followed my heart. I followed what God said to me, that I have every woman has a purpose. I want to tell you, to all women, you all
Correct.
have purpose. Find your purpose, follow your purpose, and work hard towards to your purpose. You don't take light yourself. Something you have talent inside of you, use that talent, work hard on that talent, whether it's the banking, any sector of your life. Don't keep quiet, sit at home and just scroll the phones. And no, tell yourself, I came on this earth to do something, contribute something. And not because of I'm not a man, so I should not go out. No, I am a woman. I have ability to go, and I have a ability, and I can inspire the society, and I can bring a change in the society through any work you do. Or you bake, or you make a food, or you do any business, or you don't do anything. At least take care of the family well. But do something. Don't somebody says something and giving up because of people tells you and they approves you and disapproves you. No, nothing is like that. You are more than what people says. That's what it is.
గుడ్ మెసేజ్ ఇచ్చారు.
Yeah.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
Thank
థ్యాంక్ యూ
you.
సో మచ్.
Thank you so much having me again. Happy Women's Day to you, Chandrika, and
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మ్యామ్.
Happy Women's Day to you all
కూడా
of.
హ్యాపీ ఉమెన్స్ డే.
Thank you so much loving my song Dil Dhadak Raha Hai Nuvve Undi Pola and Nuvve Undi Poila and Nuvvele is coming on 13th
వెయిటింగ్.
of March. I think we will release we will release Mera Maya on 13th of March, and we will release Nuvvele on 15th of March. So huge surprise, making your day, your Ugadi very, very special with the love song, with the good family song. So thank you so much again, giving so much love to me. Because of your love, it gives me so much encouragement to do more hard work and bring good content. So I love you so much, and God bless you all.
ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్. ఇంత బిజీ షెడ్యూల్ కూడా మా కోసం టైం స్పెండ్ చేశారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ మీరు ఇంకా చాలా ఆల్బమ్స్ చేయాలి. మీరు అనుకున్న సక్సెస్‌కి అయితే వెళ్ళాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాము. మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ ఇలానే కలుసుకుందాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
Thank
మ్యామ్.
you so much. Thank you so much. Pleasure to have you here. Pleasure to be here.